Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a new local printer on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, select Printers and Faxes on the right panel, select on the left side where it says Add a Printer. This is welcome to the Add a Printer wizard. Select Next. So, local printer attached to this computer, so if it's physically connected, if you have like a plug and play cable, you keep this check mark to automatically detect and install my plug and play printer. If you're using a wireless or network printer, you would select the second option, but a local printer, we're just going to select local printer attached to this computer and automatically detect and install my plug and play printer. Select Next, and make sure it is connected and turned on. And since it's not connected to the computer, that's why it's not detecting it, but it should automatically be able to detect it at this point. If there are any drivers available from the printer manufacturer's website, I recommend downloading and installing them, and then perhaps try and come back in here and then add the printer, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.